French macarons, a delicious summer dessert. Let me show you how to put together this delicious sandwich macaron. But first, if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. You are going to need macarons, blueberries, and chantilly cream. To pipe these macarons, I use leather templates. What I love about macarons is that you can give them any shape that you want. For this, you need to choose blueberries that are about the same size and height. I am using jumbo blueberries. If you want to learn how to make cream chantilly, I will leave you a link in the description of this video so you can watch and also you can see the recipe. You can use store-bought macarons, but if you want to learn how to make them, I will leave you a link in the description also for a class that I have on kitsch.com. After you bake your macarons, you need to let them cool down, and then you are going to put your cream chantilly in a piping bag, and you are going to put a little bit on top of the macaron. Then you are going to put the blueberries, and you are going to finish them up just topping another macaron on top of the blueberries. This is a super easy dessert, but it looks super nice and delicious. And this is it, guys. I hope that you like this tutorial on how to make a sandwich made from macarons, blueberries, and cream chantilly. Thank you all so much, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here in my channel, and see you until next time. Bye bye.